Thank you so much, everyone. Well, welcome to UK Prime Time. Hope everybody's doing fine. Uh, I'm also good. There are so many things. I came back on Sunday and finished a lot of, I was working all the time, but yes, there were a lot of backlogs. It is really, really difficult to travel and work at the same time. Uh, so yes, it is getting more and more interesting every single day. Team is working very hard. We have been achieving a lot of milestones that may not be visible to you as an end user, but yes, we are progressing very fast. So I have interesting updates for all of you, starting with BTCC. Now, see, we have so many products, so the updates have to be also lengthy. So I cannot run away in 15 minutes finishing Wednesday updates. Okay, so number one, that is BTCC. In BTCC ecosystem, we have finished the work in the DEX. Um, Let me share my screen. So we have finished the work in the DEX and we have integrated the token list and everything. So you can now go and find out the token list whenever you go and connect your wallet to see, to view the tokens. So you will have our list that will have tokens uh, already popping up. So no more difficulties in connecting with any wallet where the importing of contract of USDT or BTCC. BTCC is already by default, but USDT and wrapped Bitcoin contract are already there. They're popping up automatically when you connect the wallet. So this is how it's going on. So also on top of this, if you guys remember, we had this announcement about validators that is coming up. So instead of validators, what I'm trying to do is even more impressive thing, that is staking mechanism on code 20 DApp of BTCC. So uh, just like the usual staking mechanism in any uh, other ecosystem, we will have staking mechanism on BTC20 network where you can stake your BTCC and get some staking rewards every year. And these rewards will be differently distributed, not like validators. Validators, when you acquire, you have to send your BTCC to the contract and these BTCCs are locked forever. You cannot take them back. You cannot get your BTCC back. But with staking, the APY, the yield will not be so much, but your BTCCs will be yours. So without even selling your BTCC, you can stake it and get a good amount of staking rewards. These rewards are going to be again in BTCC. So while you have BTCC sitting in your wallet doing nothing, you can generate some staking rewards inside the mining dApp itself. So this feature is under development right now, along with the peer-to-peer platform in BTCC ecosystem. So this is the new update. Still, the team is refining the deployment of peer-to-peer platform. That work is going on priority. The DEX work, the development in the DEX is finished now. We have all the elements integrated. We have wrapped Bitcoin with BTCC pool created. There is handsome amount of liquidity in the DEX now. You guys can go and check the BTCC overview. You will see we have close to $40 million of liquidity in the DEX with more than $10 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin and more than $15 million worth of BTCCs inside the pool. So this is pretty interesting, and I hope it will continue to grow more and more, and we reach up to a threshold where the liquidity crosses 100 or $500 million, where there will be bigger trading volume and the ecosystem will thrive um, because of the daily to and fro of the liquidity. And then the nodes, the validators which are running will be, of course, profitable always. But yes, the possibility of the gas price increase would be there on BTC20 Smart Chain, and that is going to help you also for the whole ecosystem to grow. The gas prices need to increase from time to time. I am foreseeing it in next 1 year after this peak of bull run. I think with more products into BTCC ecosystem, we will see gas prices rising up, um, in a certain manner. So that is very much anticipated, and it is going to be really good. All right, next update is on first I would explain 9pay. 9pay, we got the approvals recently, and the thing is we had to change the entire look and feel of 9pay because of Visa. So we changed entire logos, card designs, card colors according to the new guidelines of Visa, and we have even finished everything. So the website, the front end, back end app is ready. This is the new 9pay website.
Ik ben Jordi.
Everything is done. These are the new color of cards. We have now green card as 9pay choice, and 9pay prime is silver card, and 9pay platinum is black card. So these are the three variant of cards that we have right now. So everything is ready. We have sent it back to Visa now for another approval. I mean, we had so much information on the website, banking, CPAS, SWIFT, on-ramp, off-ramp, that was not accepted by Visa. So we had to remove all the information. We have to keep it simple in terms of everything. And later, when these features will be added, we will have separate sections inside the website so that we also comply with the norms and we operate in that fashion. So this is done. Now just waiting to hear from them back. And 9pay will be live once this final approved style and design goes and gets through. So which is good now. So can't wait to announce 9pay to go live. It is very impressive. I myself, like I said in the last Friday call, I use 9pay everywhere while I traveled. It was a long time after I traveled out of UAE, uh, and it was amazing. I did not carry any cash with me. I mean, I was surrounded by so many people. You guys can ask. I was only using my 9pay card in the whole trip. I had nothing else in my pocket. Trust me. So this is how powerful it is. Even at the small stores, even in the taxis, I paid with 9pay card. So it is an amazing product. Can't wait to push it live, and then you will observe even better things with 9pay because the fee is so competitive. So when I compared to the traditional credit cards in Vietnam, there is a difference. So we will not be just playing on the crypto spending mechanism, but we will be also playing at the competitiveness of the fee that we charge. So it is very convenient, and I hope uh, once 9pay goes live, it will be the cheapest crypto spending card in the world. So this is again a very interesting fact and thing. Okay, moving on to the next update, that is on Dodo. Dodo, we are still deploying the abstraction layer, and I would like to share my screen and show you guys how abstraction is going to work. So this is my screen. I hope it's visible. This is the test net of Dodo that we have created. So if you connect wallet, you will get option to sign in with your email or Google account, or we will add more like Facebook, Instagram, whatever you have accounts you can sign up with on Dodo. It will just like work like a Web2 platform. Any Web2 website, it will work like. So just sign in. No need to have wallet. No need to approve 20 times on MetaMask to trade. Just like a flawless, um, you know, Web2 application, it will work, but it will be Web3. It will always be decentralized. So this abstraction layer ERC4337 is applied already. We have tested it. Now we are deploying it to the main net of Dodo. Once it is deployed, we will start the whitelisting. I would not call it whitelisting now because it's not wallet. It's not just wallet. It will be email as well. So yes, connection of WAAS to Dodo will start the connectivity. And once it's connected, then your subscriptions are going to reflect in the Dodo app, and you can start trading. Basically, you will have limit to buy Dodo indices without paying the fee on the platform with um, with WAS subscriptions. Okay, so this is in progress. Next, last but not the least, is Capital 3.0. You guys are still not voting. I don't know how to say it and what to do. But I seriously don't want to leave anyone behind. We still have 2,000 people who have not voted yet. So please, 2,053 people, it's my request, please vote so that we can start the allocation process. I have the token sitting in my wallet. We just need to start the dispersal of first allocation. So next thing, yes, very important thing is we have one allocation that is not on Solana network. So whenever the allocations are not on Solana chain, then it will be cross-chain allocation. That means you will receive C30 DAO tokens and you vote, and then you claim your project tokens on different network. So you have to bring a new wallet or other wallet to claim your allocated token. So what to do in that process, I will explain today.
Now, this right here.
Okay. So it is with respect to cross-chain allocation on Capital 3.2. Let's say project token is in Ethereum or it is a ERC20 token. So first step that you have to do is do nothing. Your allocation, let's say in this project, there is 10% 3.0 tokens which are going to be wiped out. So 10% of every voted member 3.0 tokens will be deducted automatically from WAS. You have to do nothing. Your tokens will be deducted automatically and you will get C30 DAO tokens minted on your address automatically. This will be automated process. After seeing all the active members who voted very fast, I have decided to automate this process. Maybe from next couple of allocations, I will have the manual method where you swap yourself. But as of now, let's do it like kids. I will deduct, swap, and send tokens to you directly. You just have to do what? You have to, let's say you have received 100 C30 DAO tokens. With your 100 C30 DAO tokens, you have to vote for the project allocation. And as soon as you vote for the project allocation here, then you will receive 100 STC30 DAO tokens in your wallet the moment you vote for the project. When you receive your 100 STC30 DAO tokens, that means you have participated already in the project. Now you are supposed to receive $100 worth of project tokens. How you will get it? The claim button will activate. As soon as you vote here, this claim button will be active. If it is Solana network token, then when you click on claim, you will receive that project token automatically because it's a swap on Solana. But if it is ERC20 in this example, let's say, so when you click on claim, 100 C30 DAO tokens will be burnt. STC30 DAO token will be burnt, and when you hit claim button, it will ask you ERC20 address. And you have to simply give your Ethereum address at that point. So your address plus number of tokens will be whitelisted in Ethereum, in a Ethereum contract. From that contract, we will give the link of the contract also on the website here in the project details, so that you can click on the contract, and then opening that contract, you have to connect your wallet and claim your Ethereum ERC20 tokens. Once you connect your wallet to the contract, you will be able to claim those tokens and you will receive. We could also have given airdrops to you directly on your Ethereum address, but every airdrop on Ethereum costs around $15 because gas fee is too high on Ethereum. So we have built a contract, a special contract on Ethereum. When you claim it, it will not be more than $2 to $4. So for you to yourself claim, it's cheaper. So we have done this so that the whole liquidity we don't waste in any way. So your Ethereum address will be whitelisted, and number of tokens will also be a part of whitelisting, so that when you connect your wallet to the contract, you claim, you receive those number of tokens in your Ethereum ERC20 wallet. Very simply. Then you connect your ERC20 wallet with the smart contract, fetch your balance. That's it. So this is a scenario in which there will be cross allocation. So just like one more project that you all are aware about is coming, is a layer 1 solution. So they are not going to be on any other, initially not going to be on Ethereum network or Solana network. I mean, later they will come, but initially it's a layer 1 solution. So you need to have their own token, their own coin directly. So we will have smart contract built on their network, and then you will enter your project, whatever XYZ address directly. And with that smart contract, you will be able to claim the project token directly in your wallet. So this is how it will work with Capital 3.0. Also, final reminder, final warning, please vote. I really want to wait for these people. I don't want to leave anyone behind. But if the time crosses, so much, then I will simply release it. I cannot wait. I cannot keep the whole community waiting just for a bunch of people who are not voting. So please encourage people to vote. Every day on a daily basis, when you buy Capital 3.0 package, the next day you receive token. So develop a habit that everybody who buys package, they vote the next day or the day after. So yes, this is it. Um, Next, I'm going to be there on Friday. This Friday, I will be back on track with blockchain and AI education. So I will be covering some of the aspects of the upcoming bull run, which are going to be helpful in Dodo to trade and also to have more insights on the market. So I will be covering some of the, I mean, if you guys remember, one of the sessions I took in which I talked about the upcoming bull run, how the behavior of the market would be. And so this is going to be the continuation of that training, that session in which I will talk in detail about strategies and various concepts that are going to be involved in the upcoming bull run. That is it from my side. Back to you, Grace.
Thank you so much, Shavez. It's always so wonderful to hear from you, and these are great updates. Please allow me to acknowledge Lucky is here. I don't know if Lucky wanted to go ahead and say hello.
Deze is voor alle fans.
Hi, Grace. Hello, everyone. Good
How are you?
evening.
Good to see you. Good to hear you. Thank you so much for being here, Lucky. It's always great when you're here. And Shavez, are we going to take any questions?
I don't think so. Today questions are required. I know what questions are, and I want to first finish the work from my side so that the obvious questions which are there would be answered automatically. Now I'm in that different mode of delivery. I deliver first and then I explain. So a lot of things that needs to be explained are yet to be explained here. So waiting on the deployment, and then I'm going to take everything, all the subjects which are not explained one by one.
So, Shavez, just to be clear about this voting, the
Mhm.
voting is basically the key to unlocking the allocations, the flow of the allocations, correct?
Yes.
And so I don't know. I know that we have been reminding people at every single Zoom and explaining this. So I'm with you. I'm just kind of perplexed. Is there any, you're saying that the minting of the token to allow people to vote is happening right away?
Every other day, yes.
And so folks, please go ahead and check. It is very important. You don't want to be the one that is holding everybody back. You really don't. So, but Shavez, again, thank you so much for these updates. Please, everybody vote. I will be taking count from now on of who has voted. And we look forward to seeing you on Friday, Shavez. Thank you,
One more thing. I'm sorry.
okay.
I'm sorry, Grace. Yes. One more thing before we leave. The proof of reserve, the vault balances are updated now. You guys can start making withdrawals. Your balances are showing. Don't forget, once you withdraw, convert your Bitcoins into BTCC and let's push BTCC up. So that is a very simple phenomena that is happening when you withdraw your boomerang refunds and you swap them into BTCC. That's how similarly how it's going to work with wrapped Bitcoin, and it is going to push BTCC price up to the threshold of cost of harvesting every day, and that is going to push the whole ecosystem up. So and I'll be covering this in detail on Friday call as well, but just giving you guys a reminder. Thank you. Thank you so much, Grace. Thank you so much, everyone. See you guys on Friday.
Thank you very much. All right, this ends our event. Thank you all for coming. And remember, Shavez will be back on Friday, and we will see you all tomorrow. Thank you all. I give you back the rest of your day.